We see the biggest benefits when we actually combine CLO 3D with AI tools. This doesn't only help us in the design process, but also in the visualization of garments. It is more hyper-realistic. We can do animations. The customer is more engaged when they see a model in the garment and the fabric flowing. The combination of these two tools is actually, I think, the future, brings us one step forward, and is not only important for development of designs, but also for retail and marketing.
Our long-term vision is to integrate 3D across every stage of design, sampling, and production, not just as a visualization tool, but also for decision-making. We are preparing for this by standardizing internal workflows and staying engaged with software updates and beta features. As 3D adoption becomes more and more important, our goal is to operate seamlessly between digital and physical production pipelines.
Our long-term vision is to be able to service all of our customers with 3D and help them build 3D libraries. Every new and existing customer is introduced to our 3D service with a bespoke presentation where some of their existing styles are converted into 3D, and style as well as fabric manipulations are demonstrated. With the industry shifting to shorter lead times and faster turnarounds, 3D is an obvious choice to help achieve these goals.
我们致力于了解行业创新，如人工智能的设置和自动化技术，目的是将这些进展纳入我们的工作流程，以提高生产力和促进创新。由于我们更多的关注内衣和泳衣设计，我们的长期愿景是在虚拟世界中实现 3D 试衣，这将代表行业转变的重大突破。几乎没有浪费的 3D 样衣，能更快地做出决策和更精确地进行产品开发。
Looking ahead, our vision is to make digital first the default. Very simply, we wish to bring physical samples down to as low as 1 or at most 2 across the entire development and production process. We see 3D becoming an integrated backbone rather than a standalone tool. When we create a digital product, we should immediately see key cost and efficiency elements like SMV and fabric usage, and have them updated in real time as we adjust the design and construction. We also want systems that helps us reduce cutting waste and even identify opportunities to create additional products from that waste. This benefits all functions. It gives merchandisers early and clear visibility of assortments, provides production with better data to plan capacity and efficiency, and offers marketing-rich digital assets for selling and storytelling without waiting for physical samples. When all of this comes together, it not only expands our 3D capacity, it also strengthens sustainability performance, not just for us and our brands, but for the wider industry, and builds trust that we all are jointly working to reduce waste and make faster, better decisions.
Our long-term vision is to make 3D be a default starting point for all design and development, not just a backup or just a visual aid. We are building robust digital assets, standardized workflow, and cross-stream training so that 3D becomes a scalable system embedded across the organization, not just a single person skill. We are preparing for future CLO advance by staying close to new features such as fabric scan automation, pattern to 3D AI assistance, and tighter PLM integration. Our goal is to connect 3D directly with the real business outcome, fewer samples, faster decision, and a great customization and more cleaner data.
Visi kami ke depannya bertujuan untuk memperkuat konektivitas sistem internal dengan CLO ataupun closet, sehingga file 3D kami dapat mengalir dengan lancar antar departemen, dari desain hingga pre-production, guna mempercepat visibility check, pengambilan keputusan yang lebih jelas, serta integrasi yang lebih mulus dengan kemampuan CLO dan sistem internal Kahatex di masa depan. Kami dapat melihat untuk memperluas penggunaan prototipe 3D dalam perencanaan showroom fisik, sehingga tim kami dapat memvisualisasikan berbagai pilihan produk, tata letak, dan variasi sebelum berinvestasi pada setup fisik, yang pada akhirnya dapat mengurangi biaya, waktu, dan risiko.
Sustainability is at the core of our 3D strategy. As virtual sampling reduces material waste and shipping emissions, we've encouraged clients to adopt digital-first design process approving first sample through 3D before producing physical prototypes. This initiative not only supports environmental goals, but also enables smarter data-driven production planning.
We propose 3D as a natural tool for all brands I present to in order to become more sustainable and reduce their carbon footprint. Ordering less sample fabric, producing and shipping less samples at proto, salesman or fit stages, and building a digital asset library to refer to when creating new collections are all measures that provide long-term efficiencies and cost savings.
We are actively leveraging 3D workflow to significantly reduce the number of physical prototypes during the design process. By creating highly accurate digital prototype, we can visualize and refine design virtually. This approach helps reducing the fabric waste, dyeing, and sample logistics, all of which contribute to a more sustainable development process.
We integrate sustainability by using 3D to eliminate waste. We track reports sample round avoided as a measurable sustainability metrics, which directly connecting 3D adoption to reduce waste and lower the environmental impact. One successful initiative we proposed to one of our clients was a digital first photo policy. Every new sample must be approved in 3D before a physical sample is allowed. Within just one season, this reduced fabric waste and cut sample shipment by 50%. Today, that brand has fully embraced 3D as its default development path and proving that digital first creation is not just possible but scalable.
I think that CLO and 3D will integrate AI into the programs in order to create avatars and virtual try-ons that are photoreal and simulate appropriate movement for real-life situations like sports activities for activewear, workplace situations for workwear and uniforms. In the future, I can imagine that 3D with AI will be able to retroactively create a pattern from an image of a garment and fit it to an avatar. Brands will benefit from the speed and accuracy of the renders and enter the manufacturing phases with less errors and waste.
I see CLO and 3D becoming fully integrated into the end-to-end product lifecycle from design all the way to sales. Instead of using 3D only for sampling, it will power demand testing, digital assortment, and even pre-selling before production. It gives us the chance to help shape the future of the industry.